Hello there, I'm Josh Gilmore, the Sales and Marketing Training Specialist at Samez North America. Today, I'm going to give you a quick, streamlined walkthrough on how to locate the right solutions for your specific market using our new website. When you arrive at samez.com, start by navigating to the top menu and select Markets and Solutions. This is your central hub for exploring the full ecosystem of industries we support. Whether you're in agriculture, automotive, general industrial, wood, or transportation equipment, this section organizes everything by application, so you can quickly understand the types of equipment your operations may require. Once you choose your market, you'll be presented with a curated view of relevant, common solutions engineered for the unique needs within that segment. Don't see a solution that fits? You can click "Let's talk about your project" to tell us more about your unique needs, and a regional sales manager will reach out to learn more. After selecting the solution that best aligns with your goals, you can easily reach out by clicking "Let's talk about your project" to be connected with a Samez regional sales manager, or continue exploring the page to learn more about the chosen solution. Each solution page includes performance benefits, product description and videos, an interactive diagram, and even related products to discover. As you scroll, you'll also find some main benefits, as well as a set of frequently asked questions. Whether we've answered everything or sparked new questions, you can always proceed to the contact page to request support or connect directly with a regional sales manager. At Samez, our goal is to make it simple, intuitive, and efficient to identify the right solution, or easily get in touch with an expert for your production needs. Explore your market today, and let us support your next step toward higher quality, improved efficiency, and operational excellence.